What's happening, guys? ATM Sportscards back again. This is our one-box break of prominent cuts. This is between McNabb, football coach, Wheeler, Drunk Trojan, and Doodah. Everybody's going to be guaranteed a hit here. Somebody's going to walk away with a cut auto. Good luck. Alright, here we go from the front. Pack 1. Pack 1 is going to Doodah. This thing's extremely thin. I don't know what that means. Alright, we've got some hottie here on the front. Yeah, she's hot. Got some other donk, I don't know who that is. Oh, we got the Prez! We got the Prez. Oh, we got an auto here. Auto of Keith Jardine. Cage Fighter Signatures.
He's pretty money, actually.
He's pretty money. Silly.
Keith Jordan.
Keith Jordan. There's the Doodah. And then, I don't know what that is.
That goes with the autograph.
That goes with an autograph. Sweet.
Have you never opened that before?
Oh, no, because it just came out.
Have you a comic customer?
I am. Alright, pack 2. This one's going to go to McNabb. Got a big old brick in here, it feels like. Got a big old brick in here. Alright, we've got Khloe Kardashian. I think Will hit that last week. Some big dummy. Looks like FDR. And then we've got a jumbo robe. Rogue Passengers. What the hell? Bursting onto the Hollywood scene with the Princess Diaries in 2001, Anne Hathaway.
Get out.
Dude, I might take this from you. I might sniff it. Anne Hathaway robe. Silly. I love this product. Alright, pack 3. Pack 3 is football coach. Football coach. What we got here? Feels like another thin one. I think we might have another flat auto here. Yes, it looks that way. Alright, we've got another one of the Kardashians.
Khloe?
No, that's Courtney. Andy hit that. W. MJ. And we've got a John Fitch. Cage Fighter Signatures. John Fitch.
Who?
John Fitch.
Yep.
John Fitch. Alright. Pack 4. We got Drunk Trojan. I think you hit the cut, buddy. This one feels pretty light. Let's see. I believe this is going to be a cut in here. Looks like it. Looks like we got a cut. Alright. Ronald Reagan. I believe he was the president. We got Tony Blair. I believe he was the prime minister.
The best president ever, by the way.
Phil Hellmuth. The best soccer player ever. Psych. And then our cut. Let's see if this thing's numbered to here. Let me go from this way. Huh. Race card. Holy shit.
Is that Dale Earnhardt?
Dude, you hit a monster. Dale Earnhardt.
Senior?
Senior.
Oh.
That is a monster.
Really?
That is an absolute monster.
Oh.
Only at ATM Sportscards.
Dale Earnhardt Senior.
Dale Earnhardt Senior.
Little tip of the cap. Right there.
Number 38 of 47. I believe that's his jersey number, too. Pretty good.
Really?
Pretty good. Not too shabby there.
Jersey number.
Jersey number, man. Alright. Wheeler. Last pack, brother. Last pack. Got another brick thing in here. Come on, Britney Spears panty for the win one time. Alright. We got a Donovan Bailey. Oh. Some big black guy. Frank Teague. And a hockey jersey. Oh, that's going to be pretty tight. Bruce Almighty. A comic superstar with cartoonist array of facial expressions, Carrey. So this is a Jim Carrey hockey jersey. I don't know what hockey movie it was in.
Jim Carrey?
Yeah. It says Jim Carrey on the back. I don't know. But that will do it. Appreciate it, guys. Congratulations to Drunk Trojan on the Dale Earnhardt cut.